Nokia N75 Max 2023, 5G, release date, full specs and review. Nokia N75 Max 2023 5G with key specs like 16GB RAM and 200MP cameras is coming soon. So, keep reading to see more details of the Nokia N75 Max 5G specifications below. Hello, everyone, are you ready for some good news? The Nokia company is going to launch their new unreleased smartphone called Nokia N75 Max 5G. This brand new smartphone comes with lots of interesting and update features. First, check the complete information on the Nokia N75 Max below. Let's take a deep dive into the specs and features, and see how it stacks up against all the others. Nokia has not yet released any information about this handset, but we at Mobile Experts have some leaked info. Then, keep reading, we have explained every single info about this Nokia smartphone that can be helpful for you. Nokia N75 Max 2023 specs, features. Display. As we know, the Nokia engineer has given more attention to making the design of this handset. Firstly, see the display configuration. The phone features a 6.8-inch IPS LCD with 4K resolution. Additionally, this brand new phone sports a tall 19:9 aspect ratio. By the way, its display will have protected by the latest version of Corning Gorilla Glass Protector. As for the color options, this brand new Nokia phone has the latest colors in blue and silver. Storage. This brand new smartphone arriving with 8GB/12GB/16GB of RAM and 128GB/256GB/512GB of onboard storage, expandable to 512GB. The Nokia upcoming Beast takes power from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 5G mobile platform under the hood, coupled with the Adreno 740 GPU as the processor. Battery. With the higher mAh, the 7100 battery cell and the battery are non-removable. The Li-polymer technology is very advanced, and it comes equipped with 66W fast charging technology, which recharges the battery in a very short time. Camera. This new phone will have a new design with a powerful quad camera setup, providing users with stunning photo and video capabilities. The Nokia N75 Max 2023 smartphone has a setup with a 200MP primary lens plus 20MP ultra-wide sensor plus 16MP macro camera plus 5MP depth sensor. And there is a single 64MP front camera for high-quality video calling and taking selfies. Others. Finally, the Nokia Beast runs on Android 13, the most recent version of the operating system. To put it another way, in terms of the sensor and connectivity options, this smartphone. It comes with a display fingerprint sensor with a gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, etc. And for the connectivity it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPRS, and more. Motorola Edge Plus, 2023, hands-on, Motorola. Get serious about flagship phones. The Motorola Edge Plus, 2023, is the latest flagship handset from a phone maker that may be better known for its mid-range and budget offerings. This phone looks to change that with improvements to the Edge's design, display, and camera array aimed at better challenging handsets from Apple and Samsung. Improving on the Motorola Edge Plus, 2022, this year's model upgrades to a 165 Hz refresh rate, more premium materials, and a versatile telephoto lens for portrait photography. Shipping as an Android 13 phone, the Edge Plus could be one of the best Android phones Motorola's yet made. I went hands-on with the Motorola Edge Plus, 2023, ahead of the phone's official reveal today, May 2nd. Here are my first impressions, plus what you'll want to know about price and availability. Motorola Edge Plus, 2023, hands-on, design and display. As Motorola's flagship, the Edge Plus gets one of the most premium designs we've ever seen offered in the company's smartphone portfolio. The phone features what Motorola calls an endless edge design, with thin bezels that complement the phone's curved chassis and display. When I held the Edge Plus, the velvety fingerprint-resistant rear felt lovely in my hand. Paired with the sandblasted aluminum frame, the Edge Plus 2023 truly looks like a flagship phone. As for the display, the Edge Plus has a 6.7-inch, Full HD Plus pulled screen with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a 165 Hz refresh rate. This screen is incredibly snappy, whether it's for scrolling a website or more gaming. Playing Asphalt 9, Legends felt smooth and instantaneous. Motorola Edge Plus, 2023, hands-on cameras. Photography and video seem to be a big focus of the Edge Plus. The phone features a 50MP main sensor with image stabilization, a 50MP combined ultrawide and macro sensor, a 12MP sensor with 2x telephoto for portrait mode, and a 60MP selfie camera. New quad-pixel technology should help the Edge Plus 2023 produce better low-light photos, but that's something we'll have to take a closer look at for the full review. At a glance, the photos I took looked crisp and handled some of the fog hovering over Chicago skyscrapers especially well. In my demo, I also tried some of the new modes in portrait, including a wide option at 35mm and a close-up option at 85mm. In terms of video, the Edge Plus has some cool new tools including night vision for brighter footage in low light, a horizon lock feature to keep shots stabilized on the horizon, autofocus tracking that locks onto a subject in motion, and a video portrait for a soft focus around your subject. These are the kinds of features that we see on some of Motorola's premium competitors, so it will be interesting to see how they perform when we get a chance to fully test the phone. Motorola Edge Plus, 2023, hands-on, battery life. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which promises 40% greater power efficiency than before, the Edge Plus 5100 mAh battery capacity promises 2 days of battery life. Of course, we'd need to run our battery test to see how the stamina stacks up against continuous web surfing. Motorola phones are typically some of the best phones for battery life, but previous Gen Edge Plus battery life disappointed. We're curious to see if there's improvement in this area, especially given that the Galaxy S23 Ultra and OnePlus 11, both powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, held out for more than 12 hours in our test. When the Edge Plus needs juice, it gets 68W wired charging that claims to charge the phone for the day in 9 minutes. You can also expect 15W wireless charging and support for reverse wireless charging. Motorola Edge Plus, 2023, hands-on outlook. The Motorola Edge Plus is shipping with Android 13 and will get 3 years of OS upgrades plus 4 years of security updates. The software support, plus the competitive specs, make for what seems to be Motorola's most well-rounded flagship yet. Still, we need to conduct a full review before coming to conclusions about how the value compares to the iPhone 14 and Samsung Galaxy S23.